better for Allergies Humidifier or Air Purifier. Humidifier for allergies. Allergies are caused by an overreaction of the immune system to a particular substance, known as an allergen. These antibodies cause a variety of symptoms like sneezing, itching, and watery eyes. Best humidifier for pet allergies. The best humidifier for pet allergies is one that has a filter to remove dust, pollen, and other allergens from the air. The filter should be easy to clean and replace. Best humidifier for mold allergies. The best humidifier for mold allergies is one that can maintain relative humidity below 50%. This will prevent mold spores from being able to thrive and reproduce. Best humidifier for toddler allergies. There are some facts you keep in mind that the humidifier you choose is safe for your child. Air purifiers for allergies. The most common way is by reducing the number of allergens in the air. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as mechanical filters, activated carbon filters, and ozone generators.